In this video, I'll be sharing with you the reasons behind my decision to invest a significant amount in a specific cryptocurrency and hold on to it for the next 2 to 3 years. Before I reveal which cryptocurrency I'm focusing on, let's examine current market trends. A look at Google Trends reveals a growing interest in octopus intelligence. This isn't a recent phenomenon. It's been gaining momentum worldwide for several months. For those who haven't been following, there's been a significant surge in AI programs and AI applications like ChatGPT, and many others are poised to make a big impact soon. So, why is this important, and why isn't it just a passing trend? Accurate predictions are crucial in our decision-making, especially when avoiding failures like the metaverse, which was once touted as the next big thing. Many cryptocurrencies rose in value based on its anticipated success, but it ultimately didn't take off. We need to be cautious not to fall into the trap of investing in what might seem like an exciting trend but could end up like the metaverse. So, what sets artificial intelligence apart from other industries? In 2016, the World Economic Forum, a major organization with some of the most influential people worldwide, discussed the Fourth Industrial Revolution. For those unfamiliar, an industrial revolution is a major event that transforms the world. Historically, we've experienced 3 such revolutions, and the fourth is unfolding right now. Each time an industrial revolution occurs, it creates significant wealth opportunities. This is often the period when billionaires emerge, as they establish successful businesses during these transformative times. In the years 734, 1817, and 1969, we witnessed significant industrial revolutions, with the most recent one bringing about monumental changes through electronics, IT, and automated production. This revolution is why you're likely watching this on a smartphone or computer. Now, we're entering the Fourth Industrial Revolution, which is centered around artificial intelligence. This was predicted by the World Economic Forum back in 2016, demonstrating their insight and foresight into future trends. In 2016, they already saw AI's pervasive presence, from self-driving cars to drones, virtual assistants, and intelligent investment software. This prediction has proven accurate, considering where we are today. Just look at the rapid rise of ChatGPT. It became the quickest software or social media platform to gain such a vast user base in just 2 months, surpassing anything we've seen before. Even Bill Gates, a pioneer who amassed wealth through Microsoft, has acknowledged the dawn of the AI age. He's gone as far as publishing a paper highlighting how AI is set to revolutionize the world, further validating the significant impact and potential of this technology. Let's dive into the cryptocurrency I'm focusing on, Render Token. You might wonder why I'm so interested in a coin ranked around 88. I'm here to explain all the key reasons why I'm going all in on this coin and why I believe it could potentially surge by 100 times. This isn't a random estimate. I've based it on calculations and math, drawing from data about the previous bull market, the future market potential, and the coin's current price. The first aspect we need to understand is the technical analysis. In the cryptocurrency world, technical analysis is crucial for predicting a coin's future trajectory. It involves studying the coin's price action and other market indicators. Technical analysis is paramount for understanding a coin's potential because it gives insights into future trends and directions. So let's explore why Render Token, based on its technicals and market positioning, has the potential to be a game changer in the crypto space. Analyzing the technical aspects of Render Token helps in predicting its future price and understanding why it might increase in value. Looking at the all-time graph of Render Token, we notice that during the previous bull market in 2021, it reached a peak of around 7.4. This was a time when the market was heavily focused on the metaverse and dog-themed coins. Notably, during this period, the metaverse had minimal working products, yet related coins surged by significant multiples like 20x, 30x, and even 50x. Another key point to consider is the behavior of cryptocurrencies during bear markets, where most coins decline, and during bull markets, where altcoins generally rise, regardless of their direct involvement in the prevailing trend of that market. For instance, if you examine a coin that wasn't particularly notable at the time and look back at its 2021 performance, you'll notice a substantial increase in its value. This is because the entire market tends to rise alongside Bitcoin. As for Render Token, it's important to recognize that we are not currently at the peak of a bull market, and the phase where altcoins experience significant growth hasn't fully commenced yet. While I'm not advising anyone to invest, personally, I believe it's not too late to consider Render Token. This perspective is based on the market's current state and the potential for altcoins to surge as the market moves towards another bull phase. Looking ahead to 2023, 2024, and even more so in 2025, we can anticipate significant developments in the cryptocurrency market. Focusing on the technicals of Render Token, it's quite likely that it will surpass its previous high. This prediction is based on two factors: the burgeoning age of AI, where Render Token is expected to play a crucial role, and the technical analysis indicating a probable upward price breakout. This significant upward movement can occur either due to Render Token's own momentum or as a result of Bitcoin's continued upward trajectory. For those unfamiliar with Render Token and its relevance in the evolving AI landscape, it's important to understand its functionality. Render Token is designed to distribute GPU rendering on the blockchain. This means that when a computer needs to render or load something complex, Render Token's technology comes into play. This is particularly crucial for large companies requiring extensive rendering capabilities, a task for which AI is increasingly being utilized. Render Token's role in facilitating complex rendering processes on the blockchain makes it a valuable asset in the growing field of AI and related technologies. This growing demand, coupled with the technical indicators, suggests a bright future for Render Token in the crypto market. The advancement of AI technology is currently facing a significant challenge. Computing power is becoming a bottleneck. This is particularly evident in the case of large language models like GPT-3, which heavily rely on GPUs for processing. As AI becomes more advanced, the demand for processing power increases, making hardware a critical bottleneck. The typical approach to address this issue has been to use processes running in parallel to speed up computations. However, this method has its limitations. It's not always feasible to continuously scale up hardware capabilities to meet the growing demands of advanced AI models. This is where Render Token comes into play. Render Token offers a solution by distributing GPU rendering on the blockchain. This approach can significantly enhance the efficiency of rendering processes required by AI models. By leveraging blockchain technology, Render Token can provide a decentralized network of GPU resources. This not only alleviates the bottleneck caused by limited hardware, but also allows for more scalable and accessible rendering capabilities. In essence, Render Token can transform the way we handle the computing power required for AI development. It creates a more distributed, efficient, and scalable approach to GPU rendering, which is crucial for the continuous advancement of AI technologies like large language models. This not only makes Render Token an important player in the AI landscape, but also presents a compelling case for its potential growth in the cryptocurrency market. The Render network operates on a fascinating and innovative concept. Imagine you have a computer with either a powerful or standard GPU, and you're not using it at the moment. The Render network allows you to loan out your GPU's processing power to others who need it for rendering tasks. This concept is particularly timely given the rapid growth of AI technologies. With the increasing reliance on AI, the demand for GPU rendering is expected to skyrocket, potentially by tenfold or even 100-fold. This surge in demand makes the Render network service increasingly valuable. People who don't usually utilize their computer for intensive tasks can offer their GPU power to those who need it for complex rendering processes. The process is quite straightforward. You connect your graphics card to the Render network, and in return for completing rendering jobs, you earn Render tokens. This arrangement creates a form of passive income, as you're essentially getting paid for allowing others to use your GPU's processing power. As the need for GPU rendering grows, particularly in the field of AI, services like the Render Network are poised to become more sought after. This increasing demand not only underscores the potential of Render Token as an investment, but also highlights its role in addressing the significant computational challenges in advancing AI technology. The integration of Render Token with Apple, particularly in relation to the product Octane Render, known as Octane X on Apple devices, has been a significant development, one that led to a notable 300% rally in the token's value. However, it's important to note that the full potential of Render Token, even with this rally, hasn't been fully realized yet. Octane Render, or Octane X on Apple devices, is renowned for being one of the fastest renderers available. I have personal experience using it for various CGI projects, and its efficiency and speed are remarkable. The key advancement here is that Octane Render has made the transition to Apple devices equipped with M1 and M2 chips. What makes Octane X particularly impactful is its ability to allow users to access Render Token's decentralized grid of GPU units. This means that any device with Octane X can potentially utilize Render Token, leveraging the power of the decentralized network for rendering tasks. The integration with Apple devices broadens the potential user base significantly, as it brings this capability to a wide array of users who own Apple products with M1 and M2 chips. This integration is a major step forward for Render Token. It not only enhances the usability and accessibility of the Render Network, but also indicates a growing trend of incorporating blockchain and cryptocurrency technologies into mainstream applications and devices. The future implications of this integration are substantial, suggesting a much larger scope for the adoption and utility of Render Token in various industries, especially those reliant on heavy rendering tasks. Understanding the connections and network of a company's leadership can be crucial in assessing its potential and credibility. In the case of Render Token, the CEO's interactions with influential figures like Elon Musk are noteworthy. It's revealed that the CEO has not only interacted with Musk, but also has been introduced by him to John Carmack, a prominent figure in the tech industry. This indicates a level of networking and recognition in high-profile circles, which is significant for any tech venture. The CEO mentions specific plans for Render Token, including working on LFL panels and keeping Elon Musk updated about the progress. This kind of engagement with industry leaders suggests a proactive approach and serious commitment to the project's development and expansion. Furthermore, this level of networking with top minds in the industry is a positive indicator of the company's future. It suggests that the leadership is not only well-connected, but also actively involved in relevant industry developments. This reduces the likelihood of unethical practices like sudden disappearances or rug pulls, which are unfortunately common in the cryptocurrency world. Such practices often occur when there's a lack of transparency or accountability, which doesn't seem to be the case here, given the CEO's active engagement with reputable figures in the tech industry. Overall, these connections and the CEO's active involvement in the tech community add a layer of credibility and promise to Render Token, indicating its potential for growth and sustainability in the rapidly evolving crypto and tech landscapes. To estimate the potential price of Render Token in the next bull market, let's take a historical reference point. For instance, on December 26, 2021, Bitcoin was nearing $1 trillion market cap, and Ethereum was at nearly $500 million. Also noteworthy were the significant gains of cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Suppose Render Token becomes a top 15 or even a top 10 cryptocurrency. This would mean reaching a market cap around $30 billion, a substantial increase from its current market cap of $500 million. To quantify this growth, let's calculate the potential price increase. Starting from Render Token's current price of 1.32, a market cap increase to $30 billion represents a percentage change of approximately 50%. This calculation is conservative based on available estimates. With a 50% increase from $1.32, the price of Render token could potentially reach around $79.86. This suggests a potential growth from $1 to $80, which could conservatively be considered a 60x increase. This prediction is conservative and based on the anticipated dynamics of the next bull market. Even if Render token doesn't reach the top 10 but still experiences significant growth, a 10x increase seems quite plausible. However, it's essential to remember that these are predictions based on current data and trends. Each individual should conduct their own research and analysis before making investment decisions. This includes examining technical analysis, reading the white paper, and considering various other factors. My personal decision to choose Render token for the next bull market is based on my analysis and understanding of the market, but I encourage everyone to conduct their own research and stay updated as the market evolves. If you're keen to stay updated on the ever-evolving world of crypto, especially with exciting prospects like Render token, don't miss a beat. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crypto Buzz, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the crypto universe. Hit that subscribe button and join our community for insights, analysis, and maybe a few more jokes along the way.